Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 5th, 2022. We're going to talk about Kadena. I'm going to give you all a price prediction update into the market for Kadena. Might be my final warning, for you to be poised and ready to see this market price in Kadena to continue to shoot up in price. I'm going to show you all what I think the market's going to do without being confused. So welcome. If today is your first time seeing and hearing my voice, and you appreciate it, you like my price predictions, you like how someone is actually here breaking down price action without being confused, then go ahead and join me. Hit the like button, share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because I'm gonna keep it a buck. You don't want to miss out on my price predictions. Now take a look at this. I'm real. When I come through and talk about my price predictions, my forecast as to where I think price is going to go, I always come back and show you what really happened. I'm not trying to hide and show you that I don't get price predictions wrong, because I do. Look at this. I did a video for Kadena on March the 16th, and you guys can see what price has done in relation to what I thought it was going to do. I was looking for the price in Kadena to go down. Now, you guys can see that ascending line that is in front of you. I identified that area, letting you all know that this is where the buyers need to stand up Kadena's price. Now, the question I don't ask you is, did that happen? Did the buyers stand up price on Kadena alongside this trend? Look at this. This trend takes all the way back to September of 2021. So this is a entrenched, firm trend. The market, you guys can tell right now, has been maintaining Kadena's price alongside this line. This is very powerful information because people cannot lie with their money. Every time the price of Kadena came through and traded alongside that ascending line, the buyers stood up the price. They did not let the price fall. That's massive. This is why this may be the final warning for you to actually get in on the low end of Kadena and let the price continue to shoot up higher. I'm going to show you all why I am suspecting that the price in Kadena is about to go up. And we're going to try to gauge how high. Yeah, you can actually do that too. Check this out. So let me go ahead and get rid of this, because the price obviously went against what I thought, which is not a surprise, because we understood that the chances of seeing the buyers in Kadena hold up price alongside that trend, that it could happen, and it actually did. So I'm not surprised. I won't be emotional. I wasn't nervous. I get it. The market actually confirmed that it was willing to prop up price above our ascending line. So guess what? Even though we didn't get this one right, we got a better idea as to what the market really thinking. So if we were to get out now, yeah, we'll be down around 20%. You can see it, 20%. But that's cool, because if we're looking for the market to go a lot higher, then we be able to recoup that 20% and even more as price continues to go up in Kadena. So let me get rid of that. So now, this is bullish, right off the bat. How the market in Kadena has been trading is massively bullish right now, basically because price has not broken the trend. So is this the perfect opportunity to come through and buy Kadena while it's cheap? Yeah, of course it is. If the market's confirming every time it comes through and holds this trend, you want to buy it, because the market is cheaper than what it was previously back in November 2021. It's cheaper now. And then you got the confirmation that the buyers are holding price above the trend. This is prime real estate right there. So now, let me show you something else. This volume bar right here, it stands out, correct? Would you say that? Yeah, it stands out amongst its peers that's right next to it. What happened on that day? Okay, look at this. What happened? The market in Kadena closed off of the highs, meaning that that was selling going on this particular day, April the 2nd, right? So whenever we see selling on the price chart, our first instinct needs to be price needs to go down. It needs to be automatically. Whenever we see stockpile come into the market, we need to say, I'm looking for the market to dip. I'm looking for the price to go down. Look at April the 3rd. Did the price fall? No, it didn't. It went up instead. So it tells you that the buyers are still standing up price in Kadena. Now, I got one issue though, and I want to make sure that I show it to you. Let me show it to you. The issue is right here. Okay, this is a lid in Kadena. I would say like $8.15, give or take. That's a lid. This is a problem for the buyers. Okay, look at this. It goes all the way back to November 4th, 2021, possibly even October 25th, 2021. That's a big lid to where the sellers are standing up price. Got to be careful, because if the buyers cannot take out $8.15, give or take, we might break the ascending line that I talked about just a few seconds ago. Now, we don't want to see that, but I just want to put it on your radar because nobody else is going to tell you this, but I will. So now let's see what else we got. Okay, let's look at Kadena on a 3-day time frame. Now, this is one reason why I'm still bullish into the market, and that I'm looking for the price ultimately to try to break $8 to the upside, right? This last completed 3-day price bar. Secondly, we can still see that buyers are standing up price in Kadena at $7. Look at that. The market was trading subpar back in this time frame. Okay, it wasn't able to break above $7. We just did on this last completed 3-day price bar. And then the next thing is that, look, the market is holding price above $7 now. So yeah, the chance of seeing the price in Kadena go up is still here, right? So now, look at this. I'm looking for the price to go up. Okay. Our first price target is going to have to be $8. I already told you that that is where the sellers are standing up price. That's where they're trying to lower the value of Kadena. But check this out. The next level is going to be right there around $10. And then $11. So I'm looking for the price in Kadena to go up. Okay, I am. First area is 8. That gives us 10.25% profitability into the market in Kadena. Now the next level, like I said, is going to be around 10. That gives us 34.5%. My third area ultimately is going to be around 11. That gives us around 48%. So we got $8, $10, and $11 for our price targets in Kadena. And we're going to maintain that bullishness until we see the market ultimately in Kadena break below $5.75. And we don't ever see that, then we understand that the bullishness into the market in Kadena is definitely still on the table. But we want to see the market severely break $8 to the upside, because once that occurs, the next market level is going to be around 10. And that might happen in very quick succession. So I want you all to be prepared for that, which is why you got to be a predictor. So I'm showing you what I'm thinking now in Kadena. I'm looking for the price to go up. Let me give you the 3 price targets. The first one's 8. The second one is 10. The third one is 11. All right. Now, how can you tell which price target you would let the profitability go? Like, at what point would you know I need to take it now? It's because at each price target that I've just told you about, we'll see selling on weakness. Now, you have to break it down on a smaller time frame to really tell that this is the beginning stages of the sellers standing up price, meaning that they're trying to lower it. It's going to occur around 8, around 10, or around 11. Those are the areas you need to be on guard for. All right. So that's it. I'm done. Questions, comments, let me know. As always, the comment section is open. I leave it open because I want you all to try to do this for yourself, because this is the advantage that we have amongst our competition in the cryptocurrency space, is by predicting where market prices are going to go. So I want you all to hit me up real quick. Let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.